Alright, I got here 21 Ford Transit, I think it is. Customer complaint is there's a parking assist light on. He said they replaced the, let's just see. Well, storage, huh? I don't see any lights. Oh, park aid fault when I go into reverse. He said they replaced the sensors, or some of the sensors, I don't know. Let's just scan it. All right. I have no idea which one it has, I don't really care. Alright, so I did a scan. Let's see what we got. IPC, lost communication with side obstacle detection control module B. Oh, here, this is the side obstacle detection control module. Lost comm with TCM, lost communication with serial data gateway module A. And this is the parking assist. Okay, so I'm gonna forget about this for now. We're getting a park aid fault. So right rear inner sensor. So that means, let's go look. So if you look, there's 4 sensors. Is there 4? Yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on the right side, the inner is gonna be this one. That must be the outer, and this is gonna be the inner. And it looks like it was definitely pulled out. I don't know if it was replaced or not. But this is what the code's for. All right, let's pull up a diagram for this. I think they usually put it, ooh, we're gonna have to go factory. Okay. Collision avoidance and parking assist. This is gonna be a pain because it's in 1,000 diagrams and I'm gonna have to go through each one. So here's the rear parking aid. We got the parking assist control module. Let's go to the next diagram. Oh, found them in the second one. Okay, we got the rear outer parking aid right hand side and rear inner parking aid sensor, and we have the inner code, right? We got the inner, yeah. So this sensor right here, there's 3 wires. Oh nice, it even gives us information. So the blue wire is going to be a power, the blue and white wire is going to be a power, the yellow is going to be rear inner right sensor. I don't know what that means, we'll figure it out. And okay, so here, this is all connected, so it's going to be the ground. Okay, the green's going to be the ground, it's all connected, it has to be, and it even says sensor ground. Perfect. Now the blue is going to be the power coming from the module, so the yellow is going to be the signal wire. So let's see what we got down at the sensor. All right, I'm just going to pull this bumper off so I don't have to sit under the car. Oh, it looks like all the screws came off, so they put in Phillips screws in place. Alright, and I found a snap-on pick. Let's see. Alright, this definitely was played with. So here we go. Here's the sensor that we're dealing with. This is our sensor. Yeah, because this is the inner, that's the outer. Alright. Let's see what we got. I'm just gonna unplug the sensor so we know the blue and the green is power and ground. Where's my test light? So we'll ground it right here. Now, the thing is, it might only have power when it's running, when it's in reverse. I got nothing here. Let's check it on a different one that we know is good. Alright, so the blue one. So either we don't have good ground, or it only gets power when we're in reverse. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put it in reverse. Okay, so let's hope this thing works. Here's electronic brake. How's this work? Oh yeah, okay, good. Pull on. Alright. Let's put it in reverse. Okay, this beeper is gonna drive me crazy, so let's key on, engine off, reverse. Alright, it's gonna have that beep. We're gonna have to deal with it. Let's just quickly check for power. So let me just get a good power and ground from the battery. Or not the battery, because that's under the seat, but as close to the battery as possible. Okay. Now, just test it. Put a power, a ground over here. If I hit a power, it lights up. Okay, good. Let's put it back in reverse. All right. Just gonna use the scope because I can't find, I don't know if I'm having an issue with, could be just, it's very current limited. So we'll put the ground on this. And just make sure the power works. Yep, I got 12 volts on my scope. Now let's see, do we have power here? No. Okay, but I have, this wire has something on it. It's like a signal wire. And let's check the ground by switching this to ground power. So if this is ground, and I have, I don't know which way it is, but yeah, you see here I have negative 12, so the ground's good. So I have a good ground. I just have no power. Let me just make sure I'm supposed to have power on that. All right, I'm gonna back probe this blue wire. And I got power. So I just have a break in this blue wire somewhere. Yep. I got nothing on it. I mean, something's moving, like very low voltage, so we're gonna do the key tug test. So there's two. I have to figure out which one's this one. All right, well, I don't need the beep on anymore. Let's just pull on this. Okay, so wait, let's just see. Where does this go? It goes to this harness right here. Okay. So if you look here, I got a few blue wires. Now, it could be after this also. Let's just disconnect this connector and have a peek. Not as easy as it looks. It's covered in sand. Let's just see if it breaks before that. All right, so this is coming from, oh wait, here's another one. Here's another connector. See that? That is this connector from the sub harness. Okay. Just having a hard time disconnecting these. There we go. Ooh, there's corrosion here. See that? Well, let's see, is it on a blue wire? Yes, it is. These things have corrosion right there. Well, that's for this. And it's funny, I don't see it on the top, but let's pull on this, see if it falls off. No, but I gotta get this cap off. There you go, I got it. Yep, these are full of corrosion. Alright, if I clean this up, we should be good to go. But I'm gonna try to spray some contact cleaner in here, see if I can clean it up. I left my contact cleaner in my house, but I'm gonna try cleaning up with these guys. Get some of the corrosion out of the way, just to prove that this is the only problem. No, there's no pin left in here. Yeah, it's not cleanable. This needs a new picktail. I mean, I really could just wire it around the connector. Yeah, that's probably what he's gonna tell me to do. But let's see. Yeah, it really needs a new connector. But to prove the point, we could plug this in and just jump it. So I think that's the one that doesn't have. Okay, so this one should have power right here. No, I don't know if it has power with the system off. Let's see. It does. So we have power on this side of the connector, and on this side we're not going to have anything. And on this side we have. See, it's just this wire right here. I'm going to jump around it just to prove the point. And okay, we're going to put this over here. And this right here. Okay. There's this guy plugged in. Now we should be able to clear the code. Alright, let's see. Clear. Fault memory, yes. Alright, let's just read the fault codes now. Retrieve continuous. No trouble codes. Let's put it in reverse. Push OK. Transmission's on and parked. OK. But we got no parking aid assist module function. If you look here, it shows the sensors. Those are on the floor. That's why it's red. And those two over there are open. But Yeah, that's the problem. It really needs a new pigtail, but I'm just showing you the fix is by jumping power across, which the shop might end up doing. All right, thanks for watching.